Usually when a person gets some psychological problem, this psychological problem is along with changing the behavior. Like a person who was so talkative, he's not talking anymore. Or a person who was so happy, he's not happy anymore. That's why Asian people were thinking that because this fast changing of behavior is happening, so this person is not anymore himself. And they were thinking that his body is occupied by other creatures, such as demons or other things. That's why when they were thinking in that way, they were trying to solve the problem accordingly as well. So that's why the first psychological therapy which they were using in that time was exorcism. This means they were trying to make body such a bad place that demon or Satan cannot live over there anymore. So that's why they were using so many torturizing methods which they were not therapy. Like, beating the person, starving the person, or putting him in very bad situation that his body changed to an uncomfortable place and that demon tries to leave that body. Maybe you think that, this way of therapy is not available right now, but it's not. As you think, like, in 2013, the Pope accepted the charge of exorcism priests, and more than 250 priests right now are member of this church, and they are doing exorcism, and it says that by doing so we are helping the people in the world. Or maybe you see still so many people, they believe that by writing some voodoo or doing some special things which is not scientific, we can solve a problem. In England, the situation was better because, over there, they were trying to do a court for psychological patients. And if they were, the judge was telling that this person is really mad, then they were supporting him by, putting him in some special places. Another method of psychotherapy in ancient time was trifling. Trifling comes from trifine, which is, which means that opening the skull of the brain for letting those demons goes away from the skulls and the brain. And they were thinking that if we do that, and after that the patient can be alive and can be survived, so he's cured. Also, they were using this method in other area, like, when they were thinking that there is some blood or some clot in the brain, also they were doing that. But they were using it in a psychological way as well. So, as you see, psychotherapy in ancient time was more like a torturing.